In this video, we're gonna take a look at Money Manager X. So we're gonna take a look at the pros and cons of this software, and we'll see if it's worth it or not. So I have here the list. So we're gonna start with the pros. Now, as you can see, free and open source, cross-platform, so it's available on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android with encrypted local storage. Strong budgeting and cash flow forecasting tools, customizable reports and categories. Lightweight and efficient. SQLite database stays small even with many transactions. User-friendly interface, particularly compared to GNU Cache with Android app support. Now we're gonna move to the cons. No automatic bank syncing, so everything must be entered manually or via CSV imports. Outdated UI design and limited cloud support. Basic business accounting only, so lacks invoicing, full double entry, reconciliation features found in GNU Cache. So these are some pros and cons of Money Manager X. It's a little bit outdated, but if you want basic stuff, it's a good software. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.